Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. In this video, we review the 12 amazing home gadgets on Amazon you'll wish you found sooner. These smart and modern tools make your home cleaner, more comfortable, and easier to manage. From smart lights to portable cleaners and home organizers, each gadget is selected for quality and real daily use. If you love Amazon home gadgets, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. So let's start. LED table. Upgrade your living space with the Sedeta 40-inch lift-top coffee table, designed for both style and functionality. Its smooth lift-top design creates a convenient workspace or dining surface, while hidden storage keeps your essentials neatly organized. Two spacious drawers provide easy access to remotes, magazines, and everyday items. The built-in LED light adds a modern touch, perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere in any living room or reception area. Finished in sleek black, this compact yet versatile table fits beautifully in small spaces, combining practicality with contemporary design. Robot vacuum. Experience effortless cleaning with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, designed with smart matrix clean navigation for powerful, precise performance. With built-in voice control and advanced home mapping, it learns your space and cleans every corner efficiently. The XL self-empty base holds up to 60 days of dirt, making maintenance worry-free. Perfect for homes with pets, it tackles hair, dust, carpets, and hard floors with ease. In a sleek, cool gray finish, this robot vacuum delivers hands-free convenience, deep cleaning power, and smart technology all in one. Flat Vac. Meet the Levoit LVAC 200 cordless vacuum cleaner, a lightweight, powerful cleaning solution designed for everyday convenience. With up to 50 minutes of runtime, it delivers strong suction for carpets, hard floors, and stubborn pet hair. Its tangle-resistant design keeps maintenance simple, while the rechargeable battery lets you clean freely without cords holding you back. Versatile attachments help you reach corners, furniture, and tight spaces with ease. Perfect for busy homes, this stick vacuum combines power, flexibility, and comfort in one sleek, easy-to-use design. Circular sofa. Elevate your space with the Legend Vanson L Semicircle Velvet Sofa. This oversized 141.34-inch curved sectional brings luxury and comfort together in a stunning cream finish. Wrapped in soft velvet and designed with a modern semicircle shape, it creates a stylish centerpiece for living rooms, offices, or apartments. Spacious, elegant, and perfect for gatherings or relaxation, this sofa adds a touch of sophistication to any interior. Fingerprint door lock. Upgrade your home security with the Ironson 5-in-1 fingerprint door lock, the 2025 smart deadbolt designed for fast, keyless convenience. This advanced lock offers fingerprint access, a touchscreen keypad, app control, for IC cards, and traditional keys for flexible entry. With lightning-fast recognition and auto-lock technology, it keeps your home secure without any hassle. Manage codes, check access history, and control settings right from the app. Perfect for homes, apartments, or offices, this upgraded smart lock delivers stronger security and smarter control in one sleek design. Storage Ottoman. Add style, comfort, and smart storage to any room with the Utinova 30-inch folding ottoman. This multifunctional piece works as a footrest, extra seat, or storage bench, holding up to 350 pounds with strong, reliable support. Wrapped in soft gray linen fabric, it blends beautifully with modern or classic decor. The spacious interior is perfect for storing blankets, books, toys, or accessories, helping keep your space neat and organized. Best of all, it folds flat for easy storage when not in use, making it an ideal addition to living rooms, bedrooms, apartments, and small spaces. Laundry hamper. Simplify your laundry routine with this 3-pack large laundry hamper set, designed for homes, dorms, and busy lifestyles. Each 75L hamper is waterproof, freestanding, and spacious enough to hold plenty of clothes, towels, or linens. The collapsible design makes storage easy when not in use, while the long, reinforced handles ensure comfortable carrying from room to room. Perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, and college dorms, These durable gray hampers keep your space organized, tidy, and clutter-free. Toothbrush Cleaner. Keep your toothbrush fresh and hygienic with the Bitvi Toothbrush Cleaner holder, designed to clean and air-dry your brush automatically. Featuring an intuitive LED smart screen, it shows real-time cleaning status and battery levels for effortless use. This rechargeable, wall-mounted design saves counter space while keeping your bathroom organized. Perfect for daily use, it ensures your toothbrush stays dry, clean, and ready whenever you need it. A smart, modern upgrade for any bathroom. Smart Litterbox. Make cat care easier with the FELNEDY self-cleaning litter box, the automatic litter solution designed for modern pet owners. This smart robot features adorable cat ears, a large 65L capacity, and advanced odor control to keep your home fresh. Built-in safety sensors protect your pets, while the real-time app monitor lets you track usage and status from anywhere. Perfect for multiple cats, it automatically cleans after each use and collects waste into a lined compartment, with one trash bag included to get you started. Enjoy a cleaner, safer, and more convenient litter experience for you and your cats. Multifunction Night Light. Meet the THIRDRELITY Multifunction Night Light, a smart 3-in-1 device designed to upgrade your home. This compact gadget works as a motion sensor, an illumination sensor, and a customizable RGB night light, giving you convenience and security in one place. It doubles as a Zigbee repeater, helping extend the range and stability of your smart home network. You can adjust the brightness anywhere from 1% to 100% to match your mood or space. Perfect for hallways, bedrooms, and entryways, it automatically reacts to movement and lighting conditions for hands-free comfort. Requires a Zigbee hub to operate. Dock Hub. Upgrade your connectivity with the Anker 5-in-1 USB-C hub. This compact hub features a 4K HDMI port for crisp, clear displays, plus one powered USB-C and two powered USB-A 3.0 ports delivering fast 5 gigabits per second data transfer. Perfect for MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, Dell, and more, it expands your laptop's capabilities instantly. Ideal for work, streaming, and multitasking, this hub keeps your setup efficient and clutter-free. Photo Printer. Capture and print your favorite memories instantly with the Lean M104x6 photo printer. Designed for both iPhone and Android users, this portable printer uses advanced thermal dye sublimation to produce rich, full-color photos that last. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can connect your phone directly and print anytime, anywhere. The bundle includes 100 sheets of photo paper and 3 cartridges, giving you everything you need to get started. Perfect for travel, parties, scrapbooking, or everyday moments, the Lean M100 makes high-quality photo printing simple, fast, and fun. So, which gadget surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Kitchen and Home Review, and hit the bell icon, so you never miss our latest Amazon finds. So, friend, thanks to you for watching the full video.